This GMC Sierra 3500 HD delivers a turbocharged diesel V8 6.6 liters/403 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, engine, DURAMAX 6.6 liters turbo diesel V8, B20 compatible, 445 horsepower, 332 kilowatts, at 2,800 revolutions per minute, 910 pounds-to-foot of torque, 1,220 Newton-meters, at 1,600 revolutions per minute, includes capped fuel fill, K40, exhaust brake, V10, Govrand, K05, engine block heater, wireless charging, not compatible with all phones. Compliant batteries include GMC and PMA technologies. Reference mobile device's manual to confirm what type of battery it uses. This GMC Sierra 3500 HD features the following options: windows, power with driver express up and down and express down on all other windows, wheels, 18, 45.7 centimeters, chromed aluminum includes 18x8, 45.7 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters, steel spare wheel. Requires 3500 HD single rear wheels, wheelhouse liners, rear, not available with dual rear wheels, wheel, 18x8, 45.7 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters, full size, steel spare, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, underbody shield, frame mounted shields includes front underbody shield starting behind front bumper and running to first cross member, protecting front underbody, oil pan, differential case and transfer case, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking and powertrain grade braking, requires L96, Vortex 6.0 liters V8 SFI engine, transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls, requires 4WD models, trailering equipment, trailering hitch platform 2.5 with a 2.0 insert for HD, 7-wire harness with independent fuse trailering circuits mated to a 7-way sealed connector to hook up parking lamps, backup lamps, right and left turn signals, an electric brake lead, battery and a ground. The trailer connector also includes the 4-way for use on trailers without brakes, park, brake/turn lamps, trailer brake controller, integrated. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V93L3 can get you a trustworthy Sierra 3500 HD today.